Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1226 for the 2018 Topps Archives SIG Series Retired Player Edition. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Sunday, November 10th, 2019. It's 10:18 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:18 p.m. Central Time, and 7:18 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have CZ 1 spot, I'm Free 3, Jason 8, Kleinco 1, Jen 1, Suze 2, Mad Dog 6, Tony 3, and Bobby with 5. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. CZ on top, Bobby on the bottom, once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Jason on top and bottom. Jason has the Diamondbacks, Bobby Braves, Mad Dog Orioles, Red Sox, CZ Cubs, Jason White Sox, I'm Free Reds, Jason Indians Rockies, Bobby Tigers, Kleinco Astros, Bobby Royals, Mad Dog Angels and Dodgers, I'm Free Marlins, Jason Brewers, I'm Free Twins, Mad Dog Mets, Tony Yankees Athletics, Jen Phillies, Mad Dog Pirates, Jason Padres Giants, Bobby Mariners, Sue's with the Cardinals and Rays, Tony Rangers, Bobby Blue Jays, and last but not least, Jason has the Nationals. So here we are, all sealed up. And we have a sweet St. Louis Cardinals 15 out of 15 auto. Of Mr. Lou Brock. Sliding Stars Lou Brock 15 out of 15. For the St. Louis Cardinals. Very nice. Let's see who has the St. Louis Cardinals. St. Louis Cardinals is going to Eeyore. Congrats on the Lou Brock 15 out of 15. From break 1226 for the 2018 Topps Archives SIG Series Retired Player Edition. Very nice. Want to thank all of you for getting the break. We do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media. Twitter and Instagram is at P2J Sports Cards. And our eBay store is P2J Sports Cards, so feel free to check that out. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.